Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, where the warm blue sea kissed the sandy shore of the Straits of Malacca, lived a little girl named Leela. Leela had sunshine in her smile, and loved to play by the water. She would build tall sand castles with sparkly seashells, and chase the tiny crabs that scurried sideways. One sunny morning, as Leela sat near the gentle waves, she heard a soft, rumbling sound. It wasn't the sound of the waves crashing, but something deeper and kinder. "Hello?" Leela whispered, her eyes wide with wonder. "Hello, little one," the voice replied, like the softest whisper of the wind. Leela looked all around, but saw no one. Then she looked at the sparkling blue water, and realized the voice was coming from the sea itself. The sea told Leela stories of brave ships with white sails that once sailed across its surface. Long, long ago, it spoke of funny little fish with rainbow scales, and giant, gentle whales that sang beautiful songs deep down in the ocean. One day, the sea told Leela about a little lost seashell. It tumbled far from its home on the coral reef. The sea sighed gently. It misses its family. Leela felt a tug in her heart. She wanted to help the little seashell. The sea told Leela that the seashell was near the old mossy rocks at the edge of the beach. Leela carefully searched among the slippery green rocks. She saw a tiny swirly shell, all alone. "Are you the lost seashell?" she asked softly. The seashell didn't answer, but it looked a little sad. Leela gently picked up the little seashell, and carried it to the edge of the water. "The sea will help you get back home," she whispered. She placed the seashell in a gentle wave, and the wave carried it softly towards the deeper blue. The sea rumbled happily. "Thank you, Leela," it said. "You have a kind heart." Leela smiled. She was happy she could help. From that day on, Leela continued to talk to the sea, listening to its wonderful stories and helping whenever she could. She learned that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference, and she also learned that the sea is home to many amazing creatures, and coral reefs are like colorful underwater cities where they live.
Please subscribe. Thank you.